for a laundry who's buying water at 1,200 rupees for a 12 kl tanker, right? They buy 12,000 liters of water or 24,000 liters of water, pass it through RO, take 12,000 liters out of good water and use it for their application.
Half the water is
Half
lost.
the water is lost because they have a treatment plant. The lost water is also needs to be tankered out, so they have a cost for that. The fresh water which is available to them is only half of it. So the purchase cost, if it is 1,200 rupees per tanker, it's actually 2,400 rupees. And disposal cost of 12,000 rupees again adds up 1,000. So it will end up being cheaper if they actually understand what they're doing. Tanker to tanker cost, ours will be little costly. They could buy from 11 to 14 paisa per liter. Ours will be 20 to 25 paisa per liter. Their total dissolved salts will be 600, 700. Ours is less than 75 ppm. They don't need softener, they don't need RO, they have lesser soap used in their production. All the benefits, no capital investment, they get a high quality, and most important thing, it's non-exploited and consistent water.
So the saving works out because your water is sort of plug and play.
Exactly.
You put it in, you don't need to do more to it. But the reality in India, to cope with bad water, we do so many other things,
Correct.
which all add up in terms of cost. How does this work out for cooling towers and so on? Even over there, is it that they have to soften before they use, or otherwise the equipment gets destroyed?
Correct. So cooling tower, for scale prevention, they use chemicals, biocide, sulfuric acid, all these chemicals they use for cooling tower. The chemical cost comes down. So if a mall is using 75,000 rupees per month worth chemicals, they'll come to 11,000 rupees per month. So heavy saving in the chemical cost. Apart from that, if they use bad water, the sludge which is transmitted into the pipeline, they have cleaning to be done. They have fills in the cooling tower that needs replacement, very much less replacement. Most important thing again there is blow down. So if they use a very high total dissolved salts water, based on the total dissolved salts, they blow down the portion of water to the drain. So if they use TDS 700 ppm TDS water, the blow down cycle could be 2 or 3 times a day. If they use
they blow down from the reverse osmosis.
No, blow down from the cooling tower itself.
Oh, okay.
They have to. If they don't have to do
because the water evaporates, the salts stay back.
Salts stay back and it becomes concentrate, so they have to send that water out. If they don't have to send the water out, they'll again have to buy twice the volume, pass it through RO and do it. Now they save on blow down reduction in terms of quantity of water which goes as blow down, chemical reduction, and if it is in-house, their own wastewater actually gets used efficiently in the cooling tower.
Incredible.
Together with benefits like Legionella, bacteria issue, all that benefit they get.